But in this video, I'll also like to show you the platform you're going to be trading on. All right. Okay. So now you can see all these icons that are here. Right here, you can see these three horizontal line. You can see this portfolio that looks like a folder, that looks like a bag, is a suitcase. Okay. You can see the bell and you can see the money here. Okay. These are for demo accounts. All right. Now, I'm going to first click on this one, the three horizontal line here. You can see all this information coming out. All right. Now, you can also chat with Binary live chats. Now, they provide you information and you can get to chat with them. But here, I would like for you to see informations. Here we have the trade. I need you to start from up. You can see you have DMT5. Now, that is the one that it's on right now. Okay, that's for a MetaTrader platform. All right, that's not where you are going to be trading. If you're trading with TMN Media Signal Service, no, that's not how or where you're going to be trading. That's not what you're not going to be using. You are not going to be using. I need you to see how I got here, right? I clicked on this arrow here. That's what I clicked on. So, boom. You can see everything highlighted, and I'm going to scroll up so that you see all of them. Now, the first one we have here is DTrader. The DTrader is not what you're going to be using. No. DDOT is for the boat. That's not what you're going to be using. No. DMT5, that's not what you're going to be using. No. But what are you going to be using? You're going to be using the last one, Smart Trader. Okay, Smart Trader is where we're going to be operating for. That's what you're going to be, that's what you're going to be seeing, what you're going to be trading, the synthetic, the volatility indices, everything. That this is where you get them from. So I want you to see the difference between Smart Trader and DTrader. Okay, a whole new experience. DTrader has other informations, other things you can use. All right, but Smart Trader is what we are used to. Smart Trader is just go straight to the point and you start trading whichever market you need to trade. Okay, this is what we use, but I'm going to show you the two interface. So let's first click on the DTrader. Okay, this is DTrader. This is what DTrader looks like. That is where you have the multiplier. You can see it is showing indices. Okay, instantly, or you could see for each showing, you can see all the indices here. All right, can you see all of them here? You can see all the indices. You can see Forex. All right, when I told you, you can see Forex market is closed, right? Why is it closed? Today is Friday. Yeah, today is Friday. That's why it's closed. You can't trade Forex over the weekend, but our indices is available. You have stock markets. You can see all of them. All right, they are all closed. Okay, they are all closed on the weekend. You can see commodity. They are all closed. Gold, silver, all of them are all closed. But which one is open? Synthetic indices. I need you to see it. This guy is what is open right now, synthetic indices. Now that's what we're going to be trading, but we're not going to be trading it here on the DTrader. No, not at all. I'm only showing you the DTrader. You can easily trade here. Say it's going to go up, down, prediction of the direction. For instance, I just click on down button and you can see it's bringing up the report to show me the trade I just placed right now. Okay, that is how we get to trade. Okay, but you need to understand that you have to understand the fact that we are not trading here. All right, so this is not what I'm showing you, but I'm going to be showing you what we are trading and where we are trading. Okay, you can see portfolio. This folder, it carries every trade result that you are running. Okay, we are not trading here. Okay, we are not trading here. We are not trading. DTrader, I need to show you again. Remember, this is DTrader. This is where we clicked to see the options. So I click it again. We are not using DTrader to trade. But what do we use? Smart Trader. So I'm clicking on the Smart Trader. All right, I've clicked on it. I want to show you. There's need for me to show you, for you to go around and understand exactly what we are working on. Now you can see how it looks like. This is the smart trader. Okay, and you have two options here, one box here and another box here. Okay, this first box is the box that allows us to select the indices of the market we want to trade. Now, the same way you have all those things showing up, okay, in the D trader, that's the same way you have it on the smart trader. Now, I need you to understand, leave the Forex alone, leave every other thing alone. What we are trading is synthetic indices. This guy is what we trade. We are not trading the daily reset indices. No, we are not trading crash and boom. No, what are we trading? I'll show you. We are not trading commodity. We are trading synthetic indices, and we are trading continuous indices. You can see this, continuous indices, meaning it is continuous. Every day it continues to move. This is what we are trading. And this market has 10 index. 10 index. It has 10 index in number, total number indexes available. You can see from volatility 10, 1x, 10, 25, 50, 75, 100. Now, there are 10 in numbers, okay? Now, we have signals for all the indices, and they are available 24/7, okay? These are the ones we are trading, not any other one other than volatility indices, okay? Now, I also want to point this out to you so that you get to know. You can see we have higher, lower. What that means simply means, you can read the explanation. They are just saying, I predict it's going to go up, it's going to come down. Now, we are not trading, it's going to go up, it's going to come down. We are not trading rise and fall. No, you can see here you have rise and fall. How do you see other options to trade? You click on this rise and fall option box, click on it. You're going to see other options, right? You're seeing different options. What are the options you're seeing? You're seeing higher, lower, rise and fall. You can see touch, no touch, in and out, Asian. You see digits. You see look backs, reset, high, low, kick. You can see many of them. These are options to select. But we are not trading all of them. We only major on one, and there is a reason for majoring on that one. Reason is so that you can hit your target fast and move out. All right. Now, I'm going to explain the one we are trading and the one you receive signal for. Okay. It's touch and no touch. Okay. I just changed to that touch and no touch. All right. In this touch and no touch, I'm going to be making videos explaining to you all these parameters, okay, everything about here, and also explaining to you what it means touch, what it means no touch. So there's going to be a video breakdown explaining in detail and in depth how to set your barriers, what this barrier offset is, the duration, the stake amount, which one to click on, is it it touches or it does not touch. I'm going to be making a different video to explain to you in depth how they work. Now, in this video, I'm only showing you how you create your account, and I'm familiarizing you with the platform that we trade synthetic index and the continuous indices. These indices are the ones we trade, and these indices are the same ones that signals are provided for. All right. Now, this brings me to the conclusion of showing you every trade you do, everything you do, you get to see the results here. If I want to go back, all I need to do is click here and I get to see every other information available. Okay. But the major one we are using is the Smart Trader. Okay. Smart Trader. And on Smart Trader, we are using synthetic indices. Okay. Synthetic index. That is what we are trading. Okay. That's what we are trading. We are trading synthetic indices. This guy is what we are trading, and we are trading continuous indices. That's the one we are trading. There are about 10 indices available for Signal, and they are available 247, meaning Sunday, Saturday, Monday, night, day, morning, night, anytime you can trade. So you can get to choose any time to trade, provided signals are available. All right, anytime you can trade. So it's not compulsory you must trade in the day, it's not compulsory you must trade in the evening, it's not compulsory you must trade at night, early in the morning, whichever time is convenient for you and signals are available, that's when you trade. Okay, that brings me to the end of this video. I have just been able to show you creating a demo account. Remember, you can see the link, the link on the video. Okay, you can see the link on the video, what to use to create a demo and a real account. Now, when you create a demo account, you also get to create a real account. You can see here, I have the demo and I also have the real. So you can always add your real account. And then you need to understand the reef.com and binary.com are the same. So you can sign in the same way you sign in on binary.com, you can sign in as well with your details on the reef.com. All right. So I'm showing you the reef.com because this is the newest platform, and that is what most likely they are going to switch to, and then the binary.com may be merged with it and be forgotten. All right, so that's why you need to create your account on the reef.com. All right, you can also use those details to log in on binary.com. They are the same website. Okay, so everything you have on one flows on another. Now, other videos are going to be showing you details. So watch the next video, and God bless.